Hi, how are you? How are you all doing? Well, I hope you're doing well. And in this video, we're going to see how to redeem the rev points that we've accumulated. I hope you've accumulated some, because I already explained in another video what these rev points are, whether they're worth it or not, and so on. And now, once we've accumulated rev points, which we can see here in the Revolut tab, down here on the right, in my case, look, I didn't even know how many I had, but I have 3,102 rev points. Well, supposedly it's been 1 point for every 10 euros. That is, supposedly I've spent 31,000 euros. I'm telling you right now that's not the case. 31,000 euros. If we divide by 10, that's 3,100 points. I haven't spent that much, but as I explained in the other video, there are several ways to earn rev points. So once we have the balance, we're going to click here on redeem, the second option, and I like to redeem them for something I'm definitely going to use, which is, in this case, what is it? Gift cards. The gift cards for what? From Amazon. Who doesn't shop on Amazon these days? I think everyone does. So having these points turn into Amazon credit is really great. And I already have 3,102 points, and here it tells me that 10 euros is equivalent to 1,400 points. It's something, so I'm gonna take this free 10 euro Amazon credit. I would click here on the Get My 10 euros card button. And now it tells you, okay, you're going to get 10 euros for Amazon, which is equivalent to 1,400 points. Alright, yes, redeem these points. We click there and it tells you that you now have an Amazon gift card to use worth 10 euros. This is the code, okay? This is the code, which obviously you guys won't be able to see because otherwise you'd steal it from me. And I don't trust anyone here. So I copy it, and all I have to do is go to Amazon, and here we go to where it says my account, to my account here. And here, as you can see, there's an option that says gift card and top up account. So let's click there. And now it tells you your gift card balance is 0. And here it says redeem a gift card. So we click there, and now we enter the code that we copied. We click on redeem and it tells you 10 euros have been successfully applied to your account. Now I have 10 euros to spend on Amazon. And it's as simple as that. I hope it was clear. Like the video, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.